Hello and welcome back to my Laundry Lord YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last English video, but now today is the time to be back for you. I am going to boil wash some tablecloth and kitchen towels, heavily stained, and the tablecloth I'm going to pre-treat and I will show you how. But the main washing detergent will be today the new Persil Eco Power Bars. I'm not sure if they are yet on the US market, I don't think so. But in some countries of Europe, they are already available. So, first of all, I will put one Persil Power Bar into my drum and then one anti-lime scale tablet, which goes directly. It has a soluble plastic fold here, like the power bar, and they will go into the drum directly. And then I will put in the rest of the laundry, and then I'll show you how I'm pre-treating the tablecloths with following products. I have Sil liquid with a silicone brush on it. I will pre-treat it with a Sil washing booster spray, and I will add also the powder version, and I will also pre-treat with Persil from Turkey, which came with a similar silicone brush also. Okay. Now let's start filling in the machine. I turn on the machine and off we go with those fruit tablets, which should be placed in the bag. Here comes the kitchen towels. And now I'm dedicating myself to the tablecloth. As you can see here, the tablecloth is made out of 100% cotton, made in India, and it's recommended to wash it only 30 degrees on delicates wash, because there's one line below this bottom. Now, since it's made out of cotton 100%, I will of course wash it with 95 degrees. There are several spots like coffee, marmalade, and so on and so forth, but there seem to be one or two curry or curcuma spots, and I will pre-treat them. I think this one is this area, and I will pre-treat it with the Persil gel directly. And I'm going to use this brush. So here you have this brush, and you just put it on a cap, and then there will be some, okay, that's be enough, and you just pre-treat it like this. Okay, for the next spot I will try to use this spray. This seems to be marmalade. I have another one. This is going to be empty very soon. Okay, this works better. And I have more spots over here and also on the other side. I will try now this one. How does it work? Okay, so like this. Just put the gel directly on the spot. Okay, that's too much already. Okay. There are more spots. I will try to cover with the extra washing boosters, and then I will fill it into the machine. For these little spots here, I will try my favorite product, which is the washing booster, and it has a pink colored liquid. You just pour it over here, and hopefully those spots will be gone after the boil wash. So the pre-treatment is already done, almost. That's the last item I'm going to put into the washing machine. I close the door, and then I will choose the program right now. Now I'm going to choose the boil wash cotton 95 degrees. I will pre-soak it really long, like 7 hours, the maximum. It's almost 7 hours. Okay, no pre-wash this time, but I'm choosing the intense button and water plus. And spinning, I will go down until 1200 because I will dry it outside later, and it's hot summer, so it's not a full spin needed. The last thing is to add some more sill. Today I received this dosing cap from Henkel. Maybe you can see it here, Henkel. And it's on 20 milliliters and 25 milliliters. And the recommendation here is like 7 mil. So this will be like 3 or 4 spoons, okay? So I will give it like 3 full spoons. This is to be going to be empty very soon, this box. You just put this washing booster in to the main wash compartment here. Okay, it's like 75 mil, and then we can start the machine. There will be water here right now. And now the water comes in the detergent compartment. Everything should be poured in right now. Yes, it's perfectly in the machine. As you can see already in the first rounds of the machine, we have some suds going on. And this heavy stain kitchen towels and tablecloths will be pre-soaked like for 6 hours. And when the machine is done, I will take a look how the spots have gone, hopefully. See you later, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now and leave a comment if in your country the Eco Power Bars by Persil are already available or not. It seems to be a really great product, very handy, a nice smell, and most people like them for their cleaning power. So now, as you can see, after 5 minutes, really a lot of foam going on, which is very good for the effectiveness to have a good result. And for those who are wondering what kind of anti-lime scale tablets I'm using, this one I found quite economic, and I bought it in a Madrid supermarket. So it's available on the whole peninsula mainland of Spain. So welcome back to Persil meets Sil series. And now please let's take a look at the results. As you can see, I've put the tablecloth against the sunlight. And now let's analyze and check the spots. Basically, the kitchen towels and the 2 aprons showed up with good results. Actually, all stains have gone except the ones that have been always there, and most likely they will never leave anyway. The same will appear to this tablecloth, and as you can see here, the old spots still remain. I don't know if it was like curry, curcuma, coffee with a lot of milk. This I think should have gone at least. There's some spots area going on here as well. Yeah. And these, what I thought were marmalade rests. And here maybe chocolate powder. I don't know. They're still there. So the next time I will wash this tablecloth, maybe I will make a harder pre-treatment and put lots of more laundry detergent, washing powder, and not a bar, not the Persil bar, but maybe the Persil powder or any other universal full powder wash detergent. And I will use on top of that more of extra products like vanish, seal, or any, but in powder form. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.